Now let's getting into the topic about the trends. Okay. Now what is a trend? Trend means market structure movements. It's going high or low. There are two types of trend. I'll explain you. What are the two types of trend? One is uptrend. Okay. Other one is downtrend. This is downtrend and this is uptrend. There are two types of trend. One is bearish trend. Other is bullish trend. There are two types of trend. Except if it's directly move on uptrend, if it's directly move on sell trend, everybody would be rich in this pool. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, this is how market move. In downtrend, how the market move? Same. Higher high means it's a lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. These are the two types: higher high, higher low. These are an uptrend. Uptrend moves after certain point. After an uptrend, some part of a market used to take a sell orders, right? After by taking the sell orders, it move to one downwards. It's called a downtrend. Where does the market breaks that uptrend to move towards a downwards trend? It's called as a break of structure. Basically, when I will explain when does the market moves uptrend to downtrend. How does the market change from uptrend to downtrend in the next video? This is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. It has this is a higher high, this is a higher low. Same as this. This is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low. If you go to a downtrend, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then it's a downtrend. These are you got a confirmation of what are the two types of trend market moves. Now consolidation trend. How in consolidation trend no one takes a trade because we does not have any proper plan how to take a consolidation trend. If this is an a trend, if this is an a market, okay, if market moves like this, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher, it's not on a higher line, higher low, it's in a consolidation. It does not have a proper bullish structure, also proper bearish structure also does not have. It's in a consolidation trend where a market move in a single area, make a consolidation. It's called as a make a multiple consolidation in that position is called as a single structure market move like this. It's a consolidation trend. You got a, what are the three types of trend? I'll show you an example in this. You can able to see here. You can able to see these are the downtrend. Lower low, lower high, 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 lower low, and higher high. Why it's higher high means it breaks this lower high, it breaks this previous lower high, then it's moved down to, then it forms a higher high. When the market breaks the lower high and moves an upward, then it becomes an lower high, then it becomes an higher high, sorry, then it will become an higher high. If it's become an higher high means it will go to higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it is an uptrend. Okay, till now it's an uptrend. When does the market become an bearish trend means if market is in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, it's a previous higher low, it breaks the previous higher low. Okay, it breaks the previous higher low. Now it tries to make lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now the market makes an a higher high because it breaks this and a trend. From it breaks a downtrend, it's going to become an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high. Now it breaks the previous lower high, it becomes an a higher high. In this uptrend, when this become a downwards trend means higher high, higher low, higher high, it breaks the previous higher low and becomes a lower low. It breaks the pre it breaks the previous higher low, then it becomes a lower low, then it become a lower high. then it's going down. In this it becomes a lower low, low high, lower low. It breaks this higher low, lower high. It breaks this lower high, then it becomes a higher high. Then it become a higher low. Then it become a higher high. This is an uptrend. Okay, you got it now. There are two types of trend. And I'll show you a consolidation trend. See, we can't able to judge in this. This is a low high. We can't able to do anything in this. Low high consolidation. See, you can't able to do anything in this. It makes a multiple consolidation. You can't able to do in this. This is called two types of trend. You got what is the two types of trend? There are an uptrend, there is a downtrend, and a consolidation trend. Uptrend makes a buy, downtrend makes a sell. In that the market in uptrend it has a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. In the downtrend we has a lower low, lower high, lower low. That's it. Thank you.